Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure your phone supports a hotspot and you have active data. Once ready, open Settings, then Network or Connections, then Mobile Hotspot or Personal Hotspot. You'll see the SSID and current password. This is where you begin. Tap the hotspot entry to expose the password field and editing options. Make sure to be on the device that will change the password so you can test immediately, and note any carrier restrictions before you proceed. Now change the password. Tap the password or security field and delete the old text. Enter a new, strong passphrase. Aim for 12 or more characters combining letters, numbers, and symbols. That balance stops casual guessing and keeps connections secure. Once entered, check the security type and switch to WPA2 or WPA3 if your device supports it, because encryption matters. After typing, use the Show Password toggle to verify no typos. Then hit Save or Apply so the hotspot settings update for other devices. Finish by saving the new password and toggling the hotspot off and back on to ensure the change takes effect. Once done, reconnect one client device using the new credentials to verify connectivity and speed. Update any trusted devices with the new passphrase. Make sure to store the password securely. If something goes wrong, try a quick reboot of your hotspot device, then reconnect. If issues persist, reset network settings as a last resort to clear stale configurations and reconfigure the hotspot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.